We built this 30 by 30 basketball court in Brentwood, New York. We installed the 6x9 Golden Brown Nicolock borders for the perimeter to reinforce the asphalt. And the court was painted with asphalt paint with 2 coats of base paint and 2 coats of color. The court was painted with a dark blue and the key with the lighter blue, and then striped with the white lines. The owner's son initials were painted in the court. We installed a Dominator regulation professional 72 inches hoop. This hoop is made out of aluminum, and we also display them in the showroom. GAPC is a Dominator equipment dealers, and you can view these products installed at the GAPC showroom. These are the latest sports game court built by GAPC in Brentwood, New York.